Now we're going to explore some assertion libraries. In this section, I'll teach you what are assert methods. I'll teach you how to write document test using Expect.js. You will also learn about Should.js and Char.js. These are all assertion libraries. Let's talk about Assert.js for testing. What is Assert.js? What are assert methods? I'll teach you how to write some of the assert methods to write test. The assert module provides a way of testing expressions. If expression evaluates to 0 or false, an assertion failure is being caused and the program is terminated. Here are some of the methods of Assert.js. Basically, it's a module. The first method is assert. You can use this method to check if a value is true. It is similar to assert.ok. You will have deep equal, checks if two values are equal. You will see deep strict equal, equal, fail, if error, not deep equal. You will also see another methods, not deep strict equal, not strict equal, okay, and strict equal. I want you to familiar with these methods. It means you can use this assertion method. I have already prepared a starter kit code. You have to open it and run npm install. You will see the test file assert demo.test.js. I've already written some of the tests. Here is a demo of assert method. 70 is greater than 50. If I will change, let's say I'm going to do 100. If you want to use the assert, this is a function. The first argument, we have to provide the value. And the second argument, you have to provide the message. So I'm going to run the test by using npm test. You will see the error. You can see that. Received 50, expected 70. Here is the problem. Basically, I'm using this test. So expected true, but received false. Yeah. You can also read the message. Wrong expression value is not the expression value. I think I have to change the message. Expected value is not greater than received value. So I'm going to pass this test by using this one. Because 100 is greater than 70, now you will see the test has passed. This one has passed. Now you can also use the deep equal. I have showed you a couple of the methods. I'm going to use the deep equal. If two objects or their child objects are not equal, an error is thrown. You will see the error. This is okay, but x and z are not equal because the value is different here. That's why it is giving me the error. If I will use here 0, the test will be passed. Now you can see that the test has passed. If I will write 2, the test will be failed. So deep equal will check the nested child. Here is a demo of the assert.equal method. If two values are not equal, an error is thrown and the program is terminated. This is okay. There is nothing wrong with that. But here is the problem. Because 50 is not equal to 70. So what I'm going to do, I want to pass the test. I gotta use the 0 here. Now everything is passed now. If you are using Assert.js, you can use all of these methods. Assert, deep equal, deep strict equal, and not strict equal.